Okay, just got my crash bar from SD-Motors, and that's how it came. The box it's very damaged, and I just hope everything is inside here. Let's check. Okay. Okay, so this is what it came inside the box. So according to the manual, we need to remove this piece here, this guy here, and this one here. Okay, let's do it. Just have to pull it out, I think. There we go. So those plastic ones here, they have this, I don't know, something in the middle, so I'm just using this thing here to push it down, and then it comes off. There we go. So it's one whole piece. Other side of the bike. Okay, so now that we have both sides removed according to the manual, so we are step 4 now. So there's something that it seems to be very important here. It says, attention, do not start mounting the right crash bar until you have completed the installation of the left crash. Remove the original engine bolts on the left side of the vehicle. This one, that one. Am I right? I think I am. So I just removed the left engine bolts, and when you take that off, it's gonna be this little piece there behind. So you're gonna take the engine bolt off, and this thing is gonna collapse, it's gonna fall. Same thing here, you're gonna take this one off, and this thing here is gonna collapse in the back. So now what we need to do, we need to insert the spacers 1 and 2 into the show openings of the vehicle. So this is the spacers 1 and 2, and according to the manual, so the shorter one goes in the back, so it goes here, and the long one, 80 millimeters, goes here. So this is the longest spacer you will find in the package, goes here. The second longest goes there. Okay, so now what you're gonna do now, you're gonna have to insert this thing back again, and because now you have a much thicker spacer here, I guess you're gonna have to do something that I don't like, which is you're gonna have to make a hole here in the original part of the motorcycle. I guess it's made for it. It says we need a drill to do that. I don't have one, so I'm gonna try to, I don't know, solve that, use a sharp knife, something like that. I don't know. Okay, so let's see if that is gonna work. So this is the part. So we have the both spacers here. So the longest one goes here, the second longest one goes there. Remember, there are 4 of them, and the other 2 are gonna go on the other side of the bike, and this is the left side of the bike. So let's put this thing back in place. We have 2 of those, they're the same, and 2 of those same. So we have thick washers and thin washers, and also we will need the original ones that were in the back here. Remember when we removed the original screws? We removed these and those ones collapsed, so we're gonna need those. And they're gonna go in the same place as they were before. So the thick washer goes here, and the big screw, the long screw, goes there, and the original spacer, I guess, this thick washer goes in the back. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, so remember, to remove the original ones, we used these 2 here. But to insert the ones that came with the crash bar, we're gonna need one of these, an Allen too. See? Okay, where were we? So now we need to reattach the lower side fairing. So we're gonna just slide this thing in. I think I'm Okay, so according to the manual, step 7, we are now on the right side of the motorcycle, and we need to remove the original engine bolts on the right side of the vehicle. So this one and this one. Alright, so still in step 7, we need now to insert the spacers 10 and 11. So the 10 has 45 millimeters, and sorry, the 11 has 45 millimeters, and the 10 has a length of 36 millimeters. So those are the 2. So the longest one goes in the front, and the short one goes in the back. So now we need to attach the right side fairing removed in step 2 back to the vehicle. Okay, let's do that. We completed step 8, which was to install the side fairing back. Now we're gonna do step 9, which is the very last step, thankfully. Alright, this is the final result. It's a nice, good looking crash bar. You can see the logo, SW-Motech. There's a nice logo here as well on the plastic cap that covers the boat. I honestly don't think the bike looks cooler. It loses a little bit of the street naked look, and so I really don't think it's cooler than before, but I hope I'm more protected. And but as long as my bike it's protected, who cares, right?